Today, we're going to be talking about how to make Claude Code 100 times better in one single click using a new extension called the Free AI Dream Team, right? Basically, what it does is it turns your Claude Code into an agency using 61 specialists, and it's free to set up. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works. It's a free open source project on GitHub that just exploded to over 12,000 stars. It could completely change how you use tools like, for example, Claude, Cursor, and Gemini. And I'm going to break down everything you need to know, even if you've never touched GitHub before. All right. So this is the update, as you can see. And basically what it does is it gives Claude Code a bunch of AI specialists that they can start using. Now, if you want to get started with this, you can just copy this command into Claude Code. So let's get started with that. Open up a new window here and we'll run Claude Code. We'll paste that in, and Claude Code can set this all up for you, right? So you can see we've literally installed that straight away. It says your agents are installed and organized into categories. Here's what you have. So you have an engineering team and a design team, right? And plus you've got more agent specialists with marketing, product management, everything else, right? So these are basically skills that you install to your Claude Code or to Cursor as well. And basically what it does is it gives you an AI agency with like front end developers. You've got, for example, agents for all sorts of specialists, as you can see, senior developers. There's a bunch of marketing agents as well inside there, which is pretty awesome. So, for example, like a content creator, Instagram curator, Reddit community builder, all sorts of cool stuff right here, right? So now what we can do is we can say, okay, use a front-end developer agent to build out a new website. So let's test that out. I'm going to test this out for the AI Profit Boardroom, and we'll use this new agency team to build out a new website for the AI Profit Boardroom community, right? So I'm going to say create a new website for the AI Profit Boardroom, my AI automation community, using the content below. And make sure you use the front-end developer to build it. Stick to HTML as a simple landing page, copy below. And then I'll just add the copy from the website, and we'll see if it can build out something better than we've already got. Now, what you could actually do is you could have like multiple sessions open. So you could open up a new window here, and you could have Claude running agents for something else, right? So we could say, okay, do this, right? And you can see how it's using the Reddit community builder skill that we've installed. So you can see it's using that front end developer sub agent, and it's spawning one right there to build out the website that we just asked it to create. Now you might be asking, okay, what is the agency? Like what's all this about? You know, the agency agents GitHub project. Well, basically think of it like this, right? Imagine walking into a building and picking from like 61 different experts, for example, like a front-end developer, or a brand designer, or a Reddit marketing specialist, right? Each one knows exactly what they're doing. Each one has its own unique personality and style, and each one gives you like real actionable deliverables, right? And so that's what the agency is. So it's a collection of 61 agent files you can plug into tools like Claude Code, Cursor, Windsurf, Gemini, CLI, and more. And when you load one of these agents, your AI tool literally transforms into a specialist. So it's not like act like a developer. It's a deeply crafted personality with workflows, success metrics, code examples, and a specific communication style. Now, one thing I want to say before you install anything like this is I always check the skill MD files. You just want to be careful before you install anything external. I do it for fun to show you as experiments on YouTube. But if you're not sure about installing any of this, or you don't want to do it, etc., don't install it. Like, just watch my videos and learn from it. And also check the skill MD files. You can run them through Claude as well. You could even rewrite them yourself and then install them yourself instead. But the main thing is, like, just be careful when you do install skills to something like Claude Code. So, for example, when you activate the front-end developer agent, for example, your AI suddenly knows React, Angular deeply. It follows a specific workflow for building UIs. It measures core web vitals, as a personality and voice that keeps things focused. And it's like going from a random intern or something like Claude Code straight out of the box to a senior specialist instantly. Right now, there's 9 divisions inside the team that you install. So the agency is organized into 9 departments, just like a real company. So you got like the engineering division, design division, and we've got the website ready to preview right here. So let's open this up. And you can also see inside the other window, we got the Reddit community builder to give us like a 30-day quick start plan, core principles, and also tools that we can use as well. So it's really interesting how it's built out. And I'm going to say open this up. So this is the new website that we built. and boom, we've got the new website right there. So it's created the full website, as you can see, FAQs, pretty nice setup. Nice animation when it runs through the page. Super simple in the way that it's designed, but it looks nice, right? And so that was fully automated using that new agency team. Now, that was just a quick example, but there's so much more you could do with this. And if we actually compare it side by side, so exactly the same content, but look at the way that it's designed. So this is the original. This is the new version. So you see how it's got like a nice little banner at the top. It's designed nicely. It's got like these nice UI elements. The new version looks much better than the old version. This is the old version. This is the new version, right? Using that new agency setup with the specialist. So it's a pretty cool tool. You also got like a testing division support specialized as well. And if you want to set it up, like I said, you can just go into Claude Code, give it that command. We've got the setup instructions inside the video notes from today in the AI profit boarding, but that's basically it. And then in terms of like real world examples, I've shown you how I built a new website using this agent team, but you could, for example, like activate 5 agents at once, and you could create like a new marketing campaign. So you could say, okay, content creator develops a campaign, Twitter engager handles the strategy, etc. So let's try that. So we're going to take this example use case here. We'll go back into the builder and we're going to say, okay, now create a marketing campaign for the AI profit border using the agency. And then we're going to stack 5 marketing agents together, right? So we're going to create multiple sub agents together that are working together inside Claude Code. And again, like you don't need to be technical to use this. You're literally just speaking in plain language. It's really, really simple and easy to use. So it's now launching the content creator to develop the full campaign strategy. And it's launching all 5 agents in parallel right now. So it's set up the Twitter engager as well. And you can see how it's working step by step, right? Now you might be thinking as well at this point, okay, what makes this different from say just using your normal workflows? Well, if you're using generic prompts that say, for example, like act like a developer, the agency gives you a developer with a personality, a process, code examples, a specific workflow, right? And prompt libraries, they give you like one-off prompts you use once and forget. The agency gives you like a full agent system you can use and reuse forever, right? So it's a lot more specific. And if we just look at the numbers here, you can see how it works. And it works with 7 tools, right? So it supports Claude Code, Cursor, Windsurf, Ada, OpenCode, and Anti-Gravity. I did try setting this up inside OpenClaw as well, but with OpenClaw, it seemed to struggle. And it actually came back to me and said, like, it's not designed for this, right? So don't use it inside OpenClaw. So I think you could use it inside OpenClaw, but it wouldn't be as clean and it'd be a lot more messy than using something like Claude Code, which you can see like formats it perfectly, works in just a couple of minutes, sets everything up really nicely, and it's organized it nicely too. So you got the agent team here, all working together, the status, the deliverables, so what it's going to do. So for example, like the Instagram curator will create 30 post concepts, some scripts, story strategy, etc. Pretty cool. So just to recap, the agency is a free collection of 61 specialist AI agents on GitHub. Each agent has a unique personality, workflow, deliverables, and metrics. It works with Claude Code, Cursor, Windsurf, Gemini CLI, Ada, OpenCode, and Anti-Gravity. There are 9 divisions. So you've got engineering, design, marketing, product, project management, testing, support, spatial computing, and specialized. You can set it up literally in one click, as I've done today. It's open source as well, so you can use it however you want. It has 12,000 stars on GitHub. I honestly don't pay too much attention to that because that can be manipulated. But the main point is, instead of using generic AI prompts, you can get specialists and you can set up an AI dream team like we've done today and create really good outputs like we did with this website. And that's basically how it works. And the new website is much nicer than the old website. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get all the video notes from today, you can get that inside the AI Profit Boardroom. This is my AI automation community that helps you save time, scale, and grow with AI automation. That's 2,600 members. So inside the community, you can ask questions, get help, get support whenever you need to. You can also jump on weekly video coaching calls. So we have 4 weekly video coaching calls where you can jump on a live Zoom meeting, ask questions, get help and support in real time. You can see our testimonials right here. So we actually have over 135 pages of wins with people just getting awesome results with the AI Profit Boarding, as you can see. So lots of cool wins here. And this is basically an infinite scroll of people getting results with this stuff, which is what we love to see. Also, You can meet cool people in your local area. You can join our daily accountability group so you can post your goals and stay held accountable and see what other people are working on as well and connect with cool people who are working on the same stuff. Inside the classroom too, you can also see our best training. So for example, you can go from beginner to expert with AI automation and learn how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. You can also, for example, get my best playbooks on how I automate X and newsletters and shorts and Instagram and AI avatar videos using this too. Additionally, you can get my latest SOP updates. So basically what we do inside this section is we look at all the new updates, we create video tutorials on them, and we create step-by-step guides on exactly how to use them and implement them and what they mean. We also have a full 6-hour course on OpenClaw here and another 3-hour course on OpenClaw as well. And that gets updated daily, and I talk you through every single update. Top of that, you can learn how to get more clients with the agency course. You can watch about the coaching calls over here. You can learn how to rank #1 with AI SEO. And then you can also learn how to grow a YouTube channel based on what's working for me with AI. So that's all inside our Profit Boarding. Link in the comments description, or just go to the AIprofitboarding.com. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.